Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss a question that many people ponder when buying eggs. Is there any difference between buying brown eggs and white eggs? Have you ever found yourself hesitating in the supermarket, unsure of which type of egg is the best choice? Today we'll dive deep into the scientific truths behind this topic, so you won't be confused when selecting eggs anymore. So, are brown eggs really healthier than white eggs? Let's uncover the answer together. Part 1. The origin of egg colors. Many people think that the color of an egg indicates differences in nutritional value, but in reality, the color of an egg primarily depends on the breed of the hen. For example, hens with red feathers and red earlobes typically lay brown eggs, while hens with white feathers and white earlobes lay white eggs. This is determined by genetics and has nothing to do with the quality or nutritional value of the eggs. Whether brown or white, the internal composition of the eggs is similar. The main difference lies only in the color of the shell. Part 2. Promoting iHerb and eggs. When it comes to selecting high-quality foods, iHerb is definitely a place you shouldn't miss. iHerb offers a wide variety of health foods and supplements, making it easy for you to choose the products that best suit your needs. By using our exclusive discount code BCW3191, you can enjoy additional savings, making your shopping even more cost-effective. iHerb not only has a rich selection of products, but also provides fast shipping services to ensure you receive your desired items in the shortest possible time. Whether it's organic eggs or other health foods, iHerb has got you covered. Part 3. No difference in nutritional value. Many people believe that brown eggs are healthier than white eggs, but this isn't the case. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, all eggs have similar nutritional values regardless of their color. The nutritional content of an egg primarily comes from the hen's feed and living environment, not the color of the shell. Therefore, when choosing eggs, you should focus more on their source and farming methods rather than just the color. Part 4. The importance of farming methods. The quality of eggs depends more on how the hens are raised rather than the color of the eggs they produce. For instance, free-range hens typically receive better nutrition, resulting in higher quality eggs. Whether brown or white, eggs from free-range or organically raised hens will have better nutritional value and taste. So, when purchasing eggs, pay attention to the farming method indicated on the packaging and choose healthier options accordingly. Part 5. Reasons for price differences. In the market, brown eggs are often more expensive than white eggs. This is mainly because the hens that lay brown eggs are usually larger, leading to higher farming costs. Additionally, there is often higher demand for brown eggs in some markets, which drives up their price. However, this does not mean that brown eggs have any nutritional advantages. The price difference is simply due to supply and demand and the cost of farming. Therefore, consumers should choose based on their own needs and budget rather than just the color. Part 6. Egg storage and freshness. Whether brown or white, the way you store eggs and their freshness are key factors affecting their quality. It's recommended to refrigerate eggs as soon as possible after purchase and consume them within their expiration date to ensure freshness and nutritional value. If you want to extend the shelf life of eggs, store them in the refrigerator's main compartment instead of the door, which helps maintain their freshness and quality better. Part 7. Choosing the right eggs for you. Finally, choosing eggs should be based on your personal taste and needs. If you prefer larger eggs or have specific cooking requirements, you can select based on the size and shape of the eggs. Additionally, understanding how the hens are raised and the source of the eggs can help you choose eggs that better meet your needs. Whether brown or white, as long as you choose the ones that suit you best, both are excellent choices. To summarize today's content, the color of eggs does not affect their nutritional value or health benefits. When choosing eggs, it's more important to pay attention to the hen's farming methods and the freshness of the eggs. Additionally, don't forget to use our exclusive discount code BCW3191 when shopping on iHerb to enjoy more discounts and high-quality health products. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share it with your friends to help more people understand the correct knowledge about selecting eggs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Remember to use our exclusive discount code, BCW3191. If you're looking to purchase high-quality health products, including Organ,